Welcome to the final capstone of our course. In this video, we'll walk through a complete real-world SWOT analysis, end-to-end. This is where everything comes together. You've learned the components, the methods, and the strategy. Now it's time to see how it all plays out in one cohesive, practical walkthrough. Let's imagine we're working with a mid-sized, growing e-commerce brand called Urban Nest. They sell eco-friendly home goods, think reusable kitchenware, sustainable linens, and minimalist decor. They're gaining traction, but preparing to scale. We start with strengths. Strong online customer reviews and a 4.8 to 5 satisfaction rating. Loyal repeat customer base with high average order values. In-house product design team focused on sustainability. Agile supply chain with low waste and fast turnaround. These strengths are specific and supported by data. They tell us where Urban Nest has a competitive edge. Now onto weaknesses. Limited brand recognition outside its niche. Underdeveloped wholesale channel. Heavy reliance on two key suppliers. No mobile app, resulting in low mobile conversion. These are all internal and actionable. They don't just describe what's wrong. They point to areas where strategic focus could lead to growth or reduced risk. Let's move to opportunities. Rapid growth in eco-conscious consumer segments, especially Gen Z and young families. Rising demand for subscription-based home product bundles. Influencer partnerships and user-generated content as a low-cost marketing lever. Openings in international markets with similar values, e.g. Scandinavia, Japan. These external shifts align beautifully with Urban Nest's values and strengths. Now for threats. New competitors entering the sustainable home goods space. Rising material costs, especially for organic textiles and bamboo. Changes in online advertising algorithms that could drive up CACs. Greenwashing, brands falsely marketing sustainability, making it harder to stand out. This threat list shows real risks, but risks they can prepare for. From here, we start pairing and strategizing. Use their product design team and customer loyalty to pilot a monthly subscription box. They have the infrastructure and the audience. Was threat. Highlight verified sustainability practices through third-party certifications to stand out from greenwashing competitors. Weakness, opportunity. Invest in mobile UX and launch a native app to capture Gen Z mobile-first shoppers. Weakness, threat. Diversify suppliers to reduce dependency and mitigate the impact of rising costs. Now we translate those strategies into concrete goals. Launch subscription box pilot within 3 months, targeting a 20% opt-in rate from repeat customers. Obtain 2 sustainability certifications like B Corp and GOTS within 6 months. Develop and launch mobile app by end of Q4, aiming to increase mobile conversion by 15%. Add 2 backup suppliers for critical materials by next quarter to reduce supply risk. We then identify initiatives. Assign product team to design the subscription model and fulfillment flow. Task marketing with managing certification documentation and promotional rollout. Allocate dev resources for app design and integrate user testing. Task operations to vet and onboard new suppliers. These goals and initiatives now plug directly into the business plan, resource allocation, and team OKRs, and they all trace back to one cohesive SWOT. To ensure the plan stays fresh, Urban Nest commits to reviewing and updating the SWOT quarterly. Metrics are tracked monthly. Cross-functional reviews are built into the roadmap. This walkthrough shows that SWOT isn't just an academic tool. It's a living framework. It helps you zoom out and zoom in. It makes your strategy visible and your action accountable. So now it's your turn. As your final exercise, build your own complete SWOT. Follow the steps. 1. Gather your team or stakeholders. 2. Complete the SWOT quadrants honestly and specifically. 3. Pair insights to create strategic moves. 4. Translate moves into measurable goals and owned initiatives. 5. Share your plan and commit to execution. Congratulations! If you've come this far, you're not just doing SWOT. You're thinking strategically, building alignment, and leading forward. SWOT isn't about the grid, it's about the growth.